This is Storm Track 12.
What a difference just 12 hours makes. We were dealing with ice just about 12 hours ago through the overnight hours, and now things have warmed up enough to where it is raining outside. We have some showers moving through as we speak. Current temperature 34 degrees as winds continue out of the south at about 7 miles an hour. We take a look at the wide view on satellite and radar here. We have two distinct low pressure centers. The one that just passed off the coast, you can see the counterclockwise rotation right there as it's over near Maine, and the other one is now over the Great Lakes. As you can see, the counterclockwise rotation right here, and that's starting to bring warmer air into the picture into Pennsylvania and New York. You can see the lightning icons flashing up there, northwestern PA and western New York, seeing some thunderstorms as we go through this early part of the afternoon as things have started to ramp up in that part of the state. But right now we're just dealing with showers here in Binghamton. A light round of showers has made its way in, should quickly exit off to the northeast over the next hour or two, and then we'll actually have a fairly dry afternoon. It looks like we'll split the difference between those two batches of rain impacting western Pennsylvania and western New York at this hour. Temperatures have certainly warmed up compared to last night. We were in the 20s across the Catskills earlier on. Now we're mainly in the 30s, even a 40-degree reading here in Stamford. And you can see all the upper 30s now across the viewing area. Temperatures will continue to rise over the next few hours as well. So we're going to get into the 40s by the time we get into this afternoon. And yes, we'll still have those few rain showers out there as well. Mostly still thinking a dry afternoon, but rain will certainly start to ramp up as we go into the evening and the overnight hours as well, as we're going to have some rain showers with that secondary low through the overnight. And as we get into Wednesday on the backside of that low pressure center, the colder air is going to change that rain quickly over to snow. Just a straight transition as we go from rain to snow into the morning on Wednesday. And then we're going to be stuck with it as we go through the day Wednesday and through the rest of the week, as temperatures will continue to drop and a fairly Arctic air mass is going to settle in by the time we get later into this week. Let's check out future track here. There's that band of showers quickly exiting to the northeast as we go into the middle parts of the afternoon. And then as we approach dinner time, here comes that next more widespread area of rainfall that's going to be with us as we go through much of the evening tonight. And temperatures, again, are going to stay warm enough to where this is all going to be rain. But there it is on the backside of this system. The colder air is going to change that rain straight over to snow. And we're going to have some snow out there on Wednesday morning. Not expecting any major accumulations from this, maybe an inch or two, but that snow is going to be persistent out there through the day on Wednesday as some lake effect bands set up. And of course, the closer you are to the lakes, the more snow you will see on Wednesday, and it will continue all the way into the overnight there. Temperatures again this afternoon fairly warm. We're going to be into those lower 40s. This is roller coaster ride keeps going, then back to the 30s and slowly starting to cool down through the night. We'll finally reach near freezing by Wednesday morning by the time that rain transitions over to snow, and then even some upper 20s will start to filter in. Not going to be very warm at all tomorrow, as we'll be back to wintertime temperatures into the middle 20s. But for the rest of your day today, going to be a warmer one, 42 degrees. Again, that rain is going to return later on this evening. You can have the lighter jackets through the day, but tonight you're going to need those heavier ones once again. We'll be back down into the 30s. That rain is going to change to snow in the early morning hours then on Wednesday. And there it is, lake effect snow continuing into Friday, and those temperatures get very cold there at the end of the week. Single digits overnight, teens for highs on Friday. Talk about a wild ride we've been on for the last few days.
Our experience, a little bit of everything. Rain today and then snow overnight. Do we need to worry about as much ice as we did this morning, though?
No, I don't think we will. It's going to be a straight enough transition, just straight over to snow. There could be still some slick roads because of the snow, but should be okay.
All right. Thanks, Damon. Thank you for joining us at noon around the tier.